So I wanted to make a quick video about the unassembled adapter right here that's supposed to go in and connect the two harnesses together. And in the video review, I mentioned that all you have to do is just follow the positive and ground wire and just follow the same pattern on this piece right here. Something that you have to be mindful about. So I stuck one of them in already, but if you look in the inside here, that's where you want to thread the hole in, right in the middle. So in order to do that, you have to make sure that these prongs, it has to be flat going in. So if you look at the adapter piece, right, where this part is on the top, you want to make sure the flat part of the prong, let me show you here, the flat part of the prong is inserted in this way, as opposed to trying to put it in this way. If you put it in this way, then this little clip, I don't know if you can see it there, the clip right at the top, is going to clip it into place inside the harness right here. So if you take a look inside, see the little hole you want to thread it in? So you lay the flat part down and slide it in, and you should hear a click. So do this. Just like this. You hear a click. There. So now it's properly seated in there, and you pull this, it's not coming out. Right? It's not going to come out. And then this will just be added security. Lock this down in place. And that's all you have to do in order to get this to click this way. And just click in. Hopefully that helps.